Hi, everyone. This is Keith, and I'm the co founder and co CEO of Spring Activator. And we're excited that you're interested in joining one of Spring's Impact Startup Visa programs. And as you start to think about applying to one of our programs, let's talk about this term impact. So, Spring exists to change the world through innovation. We love to work at the intersection of impact entrepreneurs and impact investors. And so, impact to us means that we're speaking about entrepreneurs who want to make the world a better place. And because they want to make the world a better place, they actually are intentionally every day trying to make the world a better place, either in the products or services that they have and or in how they run their business. So let me give you some examples. You might have a business that is focused on healthcare, or you might have a business that is focused on increasing inclusion or access to education. You might be reducing emissions or reducing plastic waste. These are all great examples of companies that create impact every day in what they do. Now, you can also have other businesses like a software business where maybe the software itself is a productivity tool. So it's good, but it's not necessarily about impact or not impact. But a really good example of how you run your business could be inclusive hiring practices, creating and increasing gender equality in your work team. It could be about giving back to the community. So these are all ways that you can think about this. So when you're thinking, am I an impact entrepreneur? There's a couple of things to think about. First, one, look up the UN or United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the UN SDGs. And this is a great place where you can look at the 17 ways that any business can actually make the world a better place. And it's a great way to think about the different ways that your business, either in your product or service or how you run it, does make the world a better place. That is a great starting point. In addition to that, you can look at B Lab. B Lab has what is called a B Corp certification. They have a free online assessment tool that also allows you to think about how you might be making the world a better place in terms of how you run your business. So, in short, impact is about making the world a better place. Being an impact entrepreneur is about the combination of what you do and how you do it to create that better world. And finding a framework for how you describe that is a combination of using the UN Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the UN SDGs, as well as the B Lab B Corp certification process. So when we look at applications at Spring, we're looking for people who want to make the world a better place and are trying to do that using those two frameworks, UN SDGs and B Lab, as a way to describe it. And this gives you a really good sense about what to do in your application when coming into our program. If you have any questions, please, of course, let us know. But as you go in, let's make the world a better place together, and we're excited to support you on that journey.